Let's start this video with a little bit of context. I, as do so many other people in this world, enjoy listening to music on headphones and not like the wired headphones. I usually prefer Bluetooth headphones when you're exercising, when you're running or doing any kind of exercise. There's always this mess with the wire. Almost for 1.5 years, I had these from Antelope, MPOW Antelope Bluetooth headset. This is the best Bluetooth headphone I've ever used. Even before this, I used a few Bluetooth headphones, but this one outstands every other Bluetooth headphone. These are the headphones. Inside this box there is this charger, and there are these extra earbuds and the user manual. I can't hear anything. You may have seen me wearing this in some of the videos before. I use these headphones every single day, and this is usually what happens with electrical devices, is that when you use them consistently for a very large period of time, there comes a phase where it stops working, and that's very normal. It can't keep going forever and ever. And so now this Bluetooth has reached a point, despite how much ever I charge this thing just won't on. It's just completely gone. It's not working. And apparently this Bluetooth headset has gone extinct on Amazon. I could not find this same headset. So it feels like the replacement for this Bluetooth headset is this pair of headset, and it has arrived today. ZAC Air ultra light wireless Bluetooth headphones. I have used these headphones a couple of times before because my dad has these. The nearest to being as good as Antelope. Specifications: built-in wireless, range 10 meters, hands-free, built-in mic, answer calls via speaker button, charging time 1 to 2 hours, working time 4 to 5 hours, standby time 40 hours. This is what we're gonna unbox today, and this is supposedly going to be my next go-to headset for, if this works, for at least a year from now. Hands-free, sweat resistant, 1 year limited warranty. So let's switch into the unboxing camera in 3, 2, 1. So finally we can begin with unboxing now. I haven't really done any of these unboxings before, so okay, so right when we open the case, we see this beautiful pair of headphone wireless headset. This is what we get apart from the box. It's a beautiful bag keeping the headphones inside, and of course a USB charger to charge the device, earbuds, extra earbuds, and a user guide. Okay, already know all this. So yeah, that's pretty much it. As far as the review of this device is concerned, I have used this and it sounds good to me. It sounds perfect to me. I can't be doing like a review, like a technical review, because I'm not really aware of the terms that are involved with this kind of a device. For example, noise cancellation and other kind of specifications and detailing. For that you can definitely refer tech YouTubers. I wanted to try the top angle unboxing style, so that's the reason I made this entire video. I'm definitely gonna do a lot more unboxings in the future. So if you really enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you next time. Peace.